Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and in this video I want to talk about the real power, real force behind trading the divergence. What do I mean by that? How to take the opportunities and maximize them, how to trade short term when you are looking for longer term opportunities. This is a massive subject. Okay, I want to present you an example how to take possibly a sell trade when you are waiting for a longer term buy trade. Okay, and this is where the divergence combination come in play, and I want to present that in this video. But before we do that, if you are new to our channel, so first of all, welcome to our amazing community. I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Just follow the subscribe button below this video, and please remember to enable the notifications, okay, all the notifications. To do so, just click on this bell button there. Also, I would like to invite you to join our trading club, Traders Academy Club, to enjoy all our trading ideas and opportunities we share on daily basis. Okay, in our live sessions and our trading reports. You can follow the link below this video in the description or the pinned comment. To present the technique I want to talk about and the trading principle I want to talk about, I want to go to trading report that is taken directly from Traders Academy Club. That's what our members receive, as you can see here. So let's scroll down, and I want to take one of the trades we were talking about and to explain it. Okay, so let's go to the watch list. This is like few days ago as I record the video, and I want to show this trade. So according to our analysis, I will take silver as example, and I want to show you here how longer term and shorter term in opposite directions can potentially provide you great opportunities both. So let's start. According to the daily analysis we have, daily with weekly, I found here a trending structure upside, pretty strong, impressive. Pullback, this becomes as a massive supportive area. Okay, no need to be a technical analyst in the highest level to be able to spot this zone and understand, okay, something is really going on here and it's holding. There is a bullish divergence here on the moving average of the MACD as well as on the RSI, and later on this trend line was broken. After this, we see the 4-hour chart gaining momentum by making 3 higher highs, higher lows. This is by itself a very strong bullish pattern. Why? Because in a bullish trend, buyers manage to create higher prices, right? Higher highs and higher lows. That's how we know buyers are in control. So our longer term idea is to get these pullbacks ideally towards the next important rejection zone. We have two of them. One is here, one is here. So we want to drop down to these zones, and afterwards we would be looking for bullish setups. I don't know to predict will they happen or not. No one does, right? But I do know if I get a good pullback here, I'll be looking for possible setups to keep the rally. I don't know if the market would really provide me an opportunity, but that's my trading plan. But meanwhile, why not to enjoy from a sell trade? And let me explain here why I can do that. Because the 3 higher highs, higher lows is a trending structure. But in that case, it's also a full cycle by itself. Okay? Full completed waving with a clean ending divergence here. Okay? I can see that each of the legs is built by several waves. Okay? To the upside. Great sign. And then I can, okay, so if it is a completed cycle, and I also expect to see the pullbacks. Let's see if I can trade these pullbacks. So the next step is I go to the shorter time frame, okay? And here is where the real power comes in play. What do I have here? This is the last leg from the 4-hour chart. Now take a look how it ends on this area. We have one fake breakout over this high, right? This was the last high of the rally, pullback and false breakout. Then another attempt to create higher highs, which again turns to be false breakout. All that is followed by massive divergence. And for the first time after the uptrend, where we clearly have higher highs, higher lows, right? For the first time it changes and creates lower lows. That, together with the analysis from the multi-time frame divergence and the understanding that we need to experience a pullback before we look for possible longer-term buys, allows me here to trade short-term opportunity. Now, I don't know what sort of setup we get here, right? But normally we either get the ABCD and breakout or any sort of a range. And I was following that, and let me share with you here directly from our Telegram chat, okay, of Traders Academy Club. Again, you get the access as a member, you get the access to all our live chat, of course. So here is the silver, okay, and as we have it, the silver, the short-term bearish view might become valid with the range breakout. Okay, what do I mean by that? That's what the market gives us. Okay, so I want to remind you, that's where we got our convergence. I don't know what sort of setup I will see here. Is it going to be the ABCD with a breakout, or is it going to be a range? But I do see that the price is ranging here. It fails to gain momentum. So from my point of view, if we go below this area, I assume that we are going for the correction, aiming to the next critical rejection zones, right? We have it here, slightly higher, and the next one is based on the 4-hour chart lows, as we saw before, right? Way lower. So I know that, okay, that's what I'm going to follow if the market really breaks on the downside. If the market breaks upside, I do nothing. But if it breaks downside, I know that my 4-hour chart full cycle and the bearish divergence provides me here an opportunity to trade on the short term. So if I get here the breakout, I can look to trade this, right, and to enjoy a very good opportunity, a very good risk reward, right? So what do we have here? We have here the breakout coming in play, validating this zone. And how do I know it validates? I can always go to lower time frame and see we do gain the momentum with the breakout, right? We got the momentum breaking right here, making 3 lower highs, lower lows. This is a fantastic verification that, okay, the momentum is gaining. Doesn't matter how we try to spin that around, right? And we are aiming the first zone, as we discussed before here. The next zone would be lower. I don't know to say to which zone the market will really reach and stop in advance. I can't predict it. I'm following facts, but I do know if I reach there and it would be in a good risk reward, I am looking to enjoy my profit. And that's where the real power of that comes in. So the breakout happens, validated, right? We go with protection and we are looking for the rejection zone, the next rejection zone, and we enjoy a very good short-term trading opportunities with a very good positive risk reward. Okay, target. So that's how you take the divergences, and that's how you can really enjoy from both directions. Now, in that case, yes, we did enjoy the short term. I don't know to predict will we get an opportunity after this correction happening, but I do know this zone with this low and this high is rejection zone. If it will be respected, and I will get my opportunities. The first zone is here, right, as we discussed before, and I will get my bullish signs with the techniques I use. That's where I'm looking for the longer term buys. But meanwhile, why not to enjoy a short term set? Of course, if the techniques allow you, and in that case, it does. And that's what I want to show you guys, how a multi-time frame analysis with clear divergence, levels, and verification gives you this possibility. Now, I don't know to say will that deliver the move or not, but I do know to say when the multi-time frames are synchronized in the same direction, your odds are always higher because you have different scale of money flow, and when they are synchronized in the same direction and provide you the same opportunity, you get your chances. So assuming based on the 4-hour chart, I want to see these pullbacks, right? So if I get them, I will be looking for the opportunities, and then comes the question, why not to enjoy and trade them? And that's where I got my opportunity, as I showed you here. With analyzing the 1-hour chart, it becomes clean, and then we follow up, and directly here, as you can see, right, we build a plan and we know what we want to see. Now, I cannot predict, don't get me wrong here, I cannot predict in advance will that happen. But I do know if it does happen, then probably my analysis and the market agree and I have my chances. I don't know to say in advance if it's going to be a winner or not, but trading is a business of probabilities. I know my chances are very high. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. That's what I wanted to explain you about the divergences, combinations, how you can enjoy from the short term while longer term is building up. Okay, and I want to invite you to join us in Traders Academy Club and learn all these trading techniques, both for analyzing and synchronizing multi-time frames, and both to how to spot your opportunities in trend trading and in reversal trading with their sign as they happen. I also would like to ask your help here, and if you find this video helpful and educational, please hit the like button below this video. The YouTube algorithm requires these little things. Your help is very much appreciated, and feel free to share this video with anyone of your community. I hope the techniques I show here could open the eyes and could help traders to see the things a little bit differently, okay, of how the money flow happens behind the scenes and then presented on the real charts you are working with. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I hope again you find it useful and helpful. And once again, I invite you to join us in Traders Academy Club. The link to that is right below this video, and that's where you will enjoy all our trading opportunities and our trading ideas, the follow-up, the trading reports, the live sessions. That's all. So I hope to see you there with us. Thanks again for your time. I wish you all the best and good trading.